Today we're going to change the oil on this Jeep Liberty. This is a 2003. It's got the 3.7 liter V6. If this video is helpful, can you just hit that thumbs up button? It really helps me out a lot. Alright, first thing we're going to do after we jack up our vehicle is get our drain pan and remove the drain plug, which is right here. This is a 1/2 inch. So break that loose and start draining out your oil. Alright, once you're down to a little drip like this, you can go ahead and put your oil plug back in. You don't need to crank it down tight, but just make sure that it's plenty tight where it's not going to come out. Alright, now we're going to get the oil filter out. You're going to bring your drip pan over here on the driver's side front. And I'm going to slip my phone up here. It's kind of hard to see, but the oil filter is right there. So the oil filter is right there. It is not a great position to get a lot of leverage on it, but just stick your hand up through this spot right here in the front, and hopefully whoever did your oil filter last time didn't crank it down tight, and you can get it off by hand. Jeep did make this nice little built-in drip tray for your oil filter when it starts leaking, so you can put your drip pan underneath that drip tray and catch the oil so it's not a huge mess. Alright, now you want to pour a little oil in here and then just rub it quite liberally around the seal here, and what that does is keeps your seal from sticking to the oil filter mating surface the next time you take your oil filter off, because you don't want that ring to stick when you pull your oil filter off and then stick another filter on there and double ring it. You'll have oil spraying everywhere. Alright, I put way too much oil on that filter. You basically just need to get the ring coated in oil. I had oil running everywhere. Now the oil filter is all oily. But once you get this thing to where the seal touches, you want to turn this about 3/4 of a turn by hand, and then you're good. Alright, now we're gonna lower our vehicle off our jack stand and jack, so it's nice and level, and we're gonna add 5 quarts of 5W30 motor oil. Jeep made this nice big filler, so it's harder to miss. So what you want to do is add your 5 quarts, start your Jeep up and let it run for 20-30 seconds, then shut it down, and then check your oil level right here. You want to make sure you're close to the top of the full slash. If you need to, add a little bit more oil. And that's about all there is to it. So if this video is helpful, can you just smash the thumbs up button? It really helps me out a lot. And I hope you have a good one.